Want to know how to check or see your own champions in Raid Shadow Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Raid Shadow Legends game. So once you have opened it up, you should be provided with this interface right here. So now, once you're on this interface, here on this bottom right side, you should be seeing champions right here. So once you have selected this champions button, your champions should open up. So you can just simply select that. It should be right beside battle. So once you have selected champions, here as you can see, I currently own 2 champions as it's a beginner account. So you can also see the abilities on the leftmost side right here. You can also upgrade them, their skins and the champion lore. You can also see the champion balls by selecting that, and that's it. So you can also sort them out by selecting by rank, by level and much more. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.